家喂
老弟，我大家喂喂。
SMARTRide ensures
Please
driver
stay
safety
focused.
using advanced AI. It detects drowsiness, distraction, or sudden movements, and sends instant alerts to prevent accidents.
Calibration is done to customize the system. It analyzes the driver's eye and mouth ratios, as well as blink rates, to personalize the settings.
Please keep your eyes
The
on the
module
road.
detects dangerous behaviors like looking away, head turning, yawning, and frequent blinking, alerting the driver with sounds and messages. The drowsiness alert sound intensity is adjusted based on the drowsiness level using fuzzy logic, ensures that the alert is appropriately attention-grabbing without being overly disruptive.
Attention, aggressive driving behavior detected.
SMARTRide uses telemetry data from accelerometer and gyroscope sensors powered by a machine learning model to analyze driving behavior. It provides alerts for aggressive driving and features a user-friendly history log for reviewing past driving patterns and optimizing safety and performance.
SMARTRide uses phone telematics sensors via sensor logger to offer real-time monitoring, predictions, and alerts. Its user-friendly UI allows users to manage notification conveniently and offers a detailed driving behavior history for valuable insights.
SMARTRide is built to enhance your safety on the road. Using real-time AI detection, it identifies vehicle and pedestrian around you. The system monitors blind spot and predicts potential collision by calculating time to impact, giving you timely alert to stay aware and avoid risk.
SMARTRides create a safe and comfortable drive. It adjusts temperature, detects bad air quality, monitor your heartbeats, and safeguards against deadly carbon monoxide levels. It notifies the driver when the outside temperature is too high or low, monitor heart rate for sign of distress, detect harmful gases, and suggest using a filter when necessary. Additionally, it sends a danger alert if harmful gases are detected while the engine is off and a person is inside.